Missing chain in there.
Awimba Mapo Okomorero Aufite.
Baby. Without doing deeper on the meetings, missing chain.
I came back was to up reggae as a minimum of profit. I was saying my power, no one would take a two for you. Because in any I've done bad.
I know got to open missing chain.
No one I'm going.
So the bunkers are moon.
And those are finding a power. This kind of story about Kanye, no
good. Dango bad. Dango Mirango di. Oh no, wait a bolo and I go to bolo. You wait?
That piece again.
You Rigiri boy.
This is all.
I was more minutes.
I'm making I don't want to dig my shoe.
Maston.
Hey, Mamugare, mine. Murani, Mwana.
Are you a journalist? Are you an accountant? Do you know a journal? What kind of a shirt do you have in your head? Looks like a round face. Are you bad?
How does the world get off the marriage when I go?
Cut it out.
Cut it out. It's too much.
The Harare definition is the closed for the
You only teach on the Harare.
Mr. Harare.
Shower born free.
Born free.
What's your Mbare?
My grandpa lived in the war.
You are a Mbare.
Mbare. What's your number?
Mbare is no way to tell you.
What kind of don't cut?
Don't cut.
The question for let me take it. Let me take it. I know how to use the card. Minox is the Rasta man. What exactly do you want to give to the people? Oh, Sakaurichi, Ragamuffin. So, Sakauri fan. Oh, do jokes. Do jokes is a ragamuffin. You are a clown. You're calling yourself a clown.
I'm a ghetto crown.
You don't have any crown. Where one? It's moving nice and proper. Oh, journalism done by Maston. I'm kind of shaky. I'm not. The shaky is there. Thanks for supporting my army. I want you in a Cub Scout regiment. I'll think about it. Otherwise, I'll cut it out. Ask more questions. There's a Rasta man called Bravo. I want to blow his house. I'm waiting for some time to get the money.
We're waiting for some.
That's for me to know in you.
Ask my leg woman.
Leg woman. It's a kind of Bart Simpson kind. It's a homer.
Saka, that means you're a cartoon. Bart Simpson is a cartoon.
He's a batty. But cartoon is explicit and it's not good for the public.
Oh.
Got sex in it. Got no kind words.
Bart Simpson has no kind words.
Yeah.
How do you know?
It's kind of party. It's no kind of party. It's a party by.
The bad boy.
Bad means good.
In what way? In what sense?
Bad one.
Bad means good. Right.
Don't ask like as if you're not from Canada. Like as if you don't know Patwa. Don't ask like as if you're kind of nude. Like a certain kind of, how can I say? Manioko. You know this kind of country called Katin Canada called Manioko. Ever watch the cotton called Tifu? The one which scratches more.
You don't organize a Zagawan and the window Canada. Second one.
I went and you got to go on to Kuda, Drama, no food. I don't think you could have to take a cheap. I know but a stop over good Dubai. You don't bother one too much one. My polish to my shitty. It's going to what my spice bag of a word that my space of almost an hour. So, yeah, it's certain kind of. I just wanted to say an icon is not one.
So I'm not an icon.
You should wear corn on your head and call yourself a wizard. You know, Halloween. It will be a nice costume for you.
How do you know about Halloween if you got on Zimbabwe?
Halloween doesn't even know Zimbabwe because we were used to Valentine. That's the way they know it.
What is Valentine?
I have a girlfriend called Valentine.
Was it a man or woman?
I'm not bad. The name is not unisex.
So Valentine is a girl.
The name of a rose. It's a red rose called a Valentine. It's evil. It kills people. It's a vampire. It sucks blood. Bites. You think you're kissing while she's biting?
When
you're having it, she holds you more and she bites. Deep cut in the head when I'm also a vampire. I'm also involved in it. I'm clean. Just like that kind of a spirit. It's clean. It's clean. Can I have some? I'm craving for it. Ooh, I'm craving. I see so. Somebody I'm getting drunk in my this one is sleeping. Go feed the monkeys. International police area. That's my dream car. I already have it. Allan Defense Forces. I was a hand break. You mustn't get a machine. I'll soon soldier.
We are no guru.
And then I pass an eye. I'll get dragon. You got young. We have a job. Come and see it. I like people with dragons.
I haven't got a dragon.
You have one? It's not open, guys. I want you to sing Release the Dragon unless I release mine. The high definition becomes more and more. Don't grab it. Why? It's empty. You want to create a trap. Have a tranquilizer. What does that mean?
I don't know a tranquilizer.
Just came here for a reason.
You can also have a morphine on that.
A morphine?
Yeah. And a sleep apnea. It's like Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson died with a sleep apnea. Can I have some? It's me, I'm the king. Don't booty. I'm used to anything.
You're a violent guy again.
No, I have no Haile Selassie. I don't know exactly shape.
Ndofanana nemunhu. Ngafanana ndiga. Ndinesela assistant.
Asi ndebvu dzako.
Sell us. You want to sell us? Are you kind of party? You want to sell us?
Don't say party. That party will cut off the future.
Oh, we're not cutting. We're going further. Further remanded on custody. Ngong, Damako.
I know what you done, the king of kings.
Eh, Elisa last number be that get waka people.
I'm gonna be very listeners.
I'm going to be going to road my cat.
No, says
You need my king. I king a master. I go there. I'm going to tell on you. No, that I will give up. I need to chat out. See, body.
I think we have to see 2 doctors.
2 doctors.
I'm not 2. 3.
Yeah, I hate doctors.
2.
I hate doctors. They don't even treat me nice. I like professors because they are kind of mad. They are mad. I'm a kind of a professor because I've got big beard and very big. You kind of go bad when you are a professor. You're a professional. You're a professional in anything.
3 doctors.
You can read between the lines.
3 doctors. Used to say. Yeah, used to see
3 doctors that are quarter trinity. You have no scale.
You can do it.
This one is mad. You're smoking nothing.
No. I can buy you.
I want you to go and
buy now.
Oh, Academy. Go and buy.
Are you from Bangladesh? Buy.
This is a man. This is a man.
That's the root for
this is a man.
It's the root of all evil. Take it. It's yours.
What is it? 3 doctors.
It's a quarter trinity.
Academy, just go and buy for you.
You are trying to smash your trinity. While you don't even have a quarter.
3 doctors.
He doesn't even have a $quarter and he's trying to reach a 50
Go.
You can't reach $1.
I'm helping you.
You can't help me with anything. You don't even know your football team.
I've got nothing to give you.
What type of a team are you wearing?
I've got nothing to give you.
A professional welder with no shoes. Pata, jive. Pata, short time.
Your brain, I don't think.
Sanura Chimonotinga got to Monoti.
I'm not doctor. I'm not doctor.
Son. Sanura.
What to assist you?
Timber, you know about break and it has my breaks.
I
want you. I was so Madame Apostle. So you don't post on our
I'm
the only one who can wear ray jeans. You can never say colors. How many colors does he have? These kind of people, they've got 3 colors and they think they've got a 3 neat.
Ndikutaura zvindebvusha zero pressure secolors zita remuora bosi yala.
Don't talk about my beard. I didn't talk about yours.
Beard yangu yaita sei?
You're commenting about my beard and it's on camera.
What's
You
wrong?
can lose your career to the blink of an eye. You have to throw that away because it's going to throw you out. I'm hitting you with straight facts. You can edit it the way you want to. But if I say what I say, if you try to edit anything, it's going to come out the way I want it to be.
How?
You don't have to ask me how. Pray how.
Junior this year.
Tell me how come Morgan Heritage is in the town. Go and let them read the lines and you just hit freestyle. You're good at that. Kind of ragamuffin. You're a fan. You'll be invited inside.
I'm not a fan. I'm a star.
You are a fan. You said you're a ragamuffin. And it's written there at the back of your own ass. There.
Back of my back.
Back, that's ass. There you go.
Where?
At the back of the Bible, there's a doctrine seat for the wise.
Ah, let you go there. Oh, this one doesn't speak English well. Go and do your homework. It's a grade 2.
That is a fluent
I'll mark for you.
Not that is a fluent English.
I won't mark anything from you because you can't even
Not
write.
a fluent English. Chirungu chisingabvunzike mubvunzo.
Fluent way. You're going to have and it suits you all. You just need that.
You're doing it.
Don't talk and go home. I don't pay that.
I don't base here and go.
Chirungu chacho ndo chiri kutaura. Chaurikutaura ndo chinodzirura.
Awaita bomfizo.
Mbeta chirungu rire.
Inini manjeka.
Chirungu chakanyengana mukadzi wangu inji.
Aiwa, that is the only religion. And ndotaura ini. Nataura dhati. Kala kuti
yodzokera kunyika yakaparadzwa yakudhara nobohwa
nataura chirungu chokomesera munhu. Ini chirungu ndochigona.
chamuzara
But nditaura chirungu chokomesera munhu. Aiwa, utogona.
literal translation from other language, you don't even know what I've just said.
Ndaudzima kamera sha.
Aiwa, takambozundisa musika kani mugamu yambutaura. Mutaura nemapenzi angu, isi msikizi muipari. Kanduita sei.
Vanaka kuti nditori neumwe munhu kuti chirungu chinotorwa sei. These people, all these people, they're down. They're down.
What's down?
They don't know how to speak even
There's no such thing as
all
down.
these people, they don't know how to speak English.
You're full of doubt. Wakunaisa vanhu manje kusvipira vanhu chibva panapa. Ningoni mabrera twaunyato tonorera. Ane tuti maofleya twanoshandudzwa mazina.
Ndatombokupiga okuti wagona kutaura chirungu. But manje ini ndogona kuoposa chirungu chako. Because ini ndogona, yes, I can oppose you. I can oppose you. Anyway, what?
Opposition always remain opposition just like MDC. Yaroa none ZANU-PF. Ngocha panapa ndimbokutina. No boa and zikepe wanza muliwo.
Azokurwara.
Kurwara. Ingwa dzinorwara vamuzi. Yongo sina. Hai munhu isani ndafika 5. Vandi munhu ani munhu ane 5 cents. Andi. Yaone 5 cents yefungwe kanti mali.
Dorwa pfungwa ke.
Utozviona kuti uya nopinga. Katibatira nemunhu ndiende sakati.
Yo dendesa umwe.
Yoda ubayo wandwindwi. Ndikatoka kane tsvina ka. Nami mhana kampini. Kampini kamanyeni munenga kabhuyuruke.
Usanja kurwa.
Uya ngari mutsoka. Ground force yedu yemuZimbabwe kampini.
Ndakudzedza. Munotara kana munangabwa wache.
Okutara nezvevanhu vakuru manje mubana noruwa nefuti.
Wazvinzwa.
You're going off your head.
Munangabwa muzikurwa.
Iwe?
Oh, wako manje minox. Oh, saka wondopa munhu opportunity yekutaura kuti munangagwa munangagwa kudonanga munangagwa.